Good morning, students. Yesterday, I discussed about human activities. That I told you in human activities is divided into two parts. One is called commercial activities, one is called non-commercial activities. And there I discussed the different types of commercial activities and different types of non-commercial activities. And the commercial activities, I said the commercial activities is basically divided into three categories. One is business, second is employment, and third is profession. So today, I am going to start the second chapter, that is business activities. And I am going to discuss the details about the business activities. And you know, the business activities is considered economics activities or the commercial activities. That means the chapter what I am going to discuss you today, I am going to do the revision of chapter 2, that this chapter is basically a chapter of economics activities or commercial activities. Understood? So first, this business activities, what is the meaning of business activities? If you forgot everything, at least one thing you must remember, business activities is definitely an activities which is performed for the purpose of earning money or earning profit. Why? Because business activities is an economic activity. At least if you can write this one, at least some marks you will get it. Okay? Because business, understood. But here I have given you the proper definition. You can follow this one also. Business is an occupation where the purchase and sale of products or services are taken place to earn profit. So you know what is business? All of us are knowing business में क्या होता है. People are taken is at occupations, okay, where their purchase and sales are taken place. All your locality, you know what the businessmen are doing. You think about it, you'll be able to know the meaning of it. I have written it, it's clear for you. Now I'm going to discuss about the features or the characteristics of business. This meaning itself said what is business. First characteristics, all of us are knowing. Business is what? These things is taking place. Sale, transfer of exchange. Business मतलब हम लोग कोई दुकानदार के पास तुम चल जाओ बेटा. What all things are taking place? They are selling something. And what is transferring? The ownership is being transferring. Okay? And when the ownership will transfer? After exchanging of money. Like in the beginning, the example was given to you. Like Poonam Bhaiya is making the samosa. As a businessman, as a business, what is doing? He is selling the samosas to you people. When he is selling it, earlier till the samosas have been sold, who was the owner? Poonam Bhaiya was the owner. When he has taken money from you and he is given the samosas to you, then you people become the owner. So what is happening in business? All of you are knowing it. Sale, transfer and exchange. Now what the businessmen are doing? Businessmen are dealing with two things. One is goods and services. You know the meaning of what is called the goods and what is called the service. Okay? It is already known to you. I explained earlier also. Now what the businessmen want again? Third point, regular dealing. What any businessman want? What Poonam Bhaiya want? That every day you should come in the tiffin break time and buy the things from him. So regular dealings they want. Regular buying and selling. And this point is everyone is knowing. This characteristic profit motive or to earn money the business doing. And fifth one, this you must know, creation of utility. What the businessman is doing it. What the business is doing, creation of utility. What do you mean by the creation of utility? Suppose if one thing you don't need also, what they did, the way they explain, the way they make you understand that they create a utility. हाँ इसका मेरा ज़रूरत है, and are you buying that particular things or not? Like let me tell you, suppose you have a pen. Already you are having one or two pens, but when you go to the shop to buy, the shopkeeper said, "ये देखिए जो पेन आया अभी ना, इसका इंक खत्म है नहीं." Something he will explain to you people. And what he did? He created an utility. हाँ इसका मेरा ज़रूरत है, and sometimes you bought it or not. That's what we are talking about, creation of utility. So these are the features already been discussed you when I taught you the chapters. Once more, just to remind you, I have given you the points, so please understand it. Now I am going to discuss about the different types of business activity. Again, what is business activities? Business activities and activities which has been performed by the human beings for the purpose of earning money. So these business activities are of different types. First I am talking about industry. Industry के बारे में बड़ा every one of us are knowing what is industry. Industry के बारे में हम लोग क्या है? Industry is a place where basically the productions have been taken in large quantities. Yes or no? Huge amount of capital has been required in the industry. ओके इंडस्ट्री के बारे में हम लोग जानते हैं, हम लोग देखा भी इंडस्ट्री. ओके नाउ व्हाट डेफिनेशन गिवन इट? डेफिनेटली industry is part of business activities, so it will be definitely an economics activity. Yes or no? So economic activity concerned with the processing of raw materials and manufacture of goods in factories. फैक्ट्री में क्या होता है बेसिकली, इंडस्ट्री में क्या होता है, इंडस्ट्री में फैक्ट्री होता है. वो फैक्ट्री में क्या हो जाता है बेटा, बेसिकली वट एवर रॉ मटेरियल्स कम, लाइक इफ यू बीन टू द खिलाड़ी, यू मस्ट हैव सीन द सीमेंट फैक्ट्री. What you notice in the cement factory, it is an industry, because why? The huge amount of production has been taken place. There, what you notice? That limestones are there, and what the limestones they are doing it? This is basically the raw material, and what they do? This raw material they break it and they produce into the cement. So that is what they are talking about, the goods into the factory. Another way you can write also, an industry is a group of manufacturers or businesses that produce a particular kind of goods or services. Particular kinds of goods or services. So please remember it. So industry, where bulk quantities of goods are being produced by using the raw material, that is particularly called the industry. And it is an economics activities, because whatever production the industries are doing, they are doing the production for the purpose of earning money by selling. Do you understand point? That is just called the industry. After the industry is called commerce. What is commerce? What does industry do? Industry has the responsibility to produce the goods. From the raw material, what they do? They produce the goods what the society want, what the customer want, that type of goods they produce. So industry is producing the goods. And what the commerce are doing? The goods what is being produced, that is what they are doing, the buying, selling and exchanging part is doing by commerce. So again, what is in industry's responsibility? Industry's responsibility is to convert the raw materials into the finished products in bulk quantities as per the need of the people of the country or the world. Now on the other hand, what is commerce is doing? The commerce is what doing? Whatever industry has been produced, whatever goods the industry produced, that goods commerce is only buying, selling and the transferring and exchanging. All these works is done by commerce. So what you understood here beta? Industry and commerce are interlinked with each other. एक दूसरा छोड़ के चल नहीं सकता है. इंडस्ट्री प्रोडक्शन नहीं करेगा तो कॉमर्स कैन नॉट टेक पार्ट बाय सेलिंग एंड ट्रांसफरिंग एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स. On the other hand, if industry do the production, if there is no commerce, the activity cannot be fulfilled. Do you understand my point out? So this is what is called commerce. So industry and commerce are interlinked. The question asks you, how industry and commerce are interlinked? Your answer will be, industry, what is they doing? Industry is converting the raw materials into the finished product as per the need of the human beings. And what the commerce is doing? This finished product, what they are doing? They are buying, selling and exchanging part is done by the commerce. Okay, that is what is called commerce. So now I am coming types of industry. Different types of industries are there in our country. All of us are knowing better. Industry means producing. So first is coming extractive industries. You know the meaning of extraction. When you are taking out something beneath the earth surface or the water surface, तो मिट्टी का नीचे से या पानी का नीचे से जब कोई चीज़ को हम निकाले जाते हैं, दे आर कॉल्ड एक्सट्रैक्टिव इंडस्ट्रीज. एंड व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड इंडस्ट्री? because here the extraction is being taken place in bulk quantities, not in small quantities. Like if you go to Khiladi, nearby places, you must have been seen the coal industries are there. What they are doing? They are taking out the coal from underneath of the earth surface. They are digging the earth surface and underneath they are taking the coal. And when they are taking out the coal, they are not taking one sack or one piece. They are taking it in bulk quantities. So that is what is called extractive industry. I have given the definition. You please go through it. You will be able to understand it. Next time coming genetic industries. Again, genetic means by generation wise generation you are getting productions. They are basically called the genetic industries. And why industries? Here also not taking in one piece or two piece. Okay, it is taking in bulk quantity. Like if you go to, I am telling you, if you go to what I am telling you, cattle breeding. You know the cattle breeding means जहाँ पर dairy farm है, जहाँ पर क्या होता है बेटा, you are going, milk production is being taken place. What do you notice there? जनरेशन वाइज, अब पहले बूढ़ा वाला गाय है वो मर जाता है तो देन द काफ कम्स, लाइक दैट जनरेशन वाइज है. लाइक इफ यू गो टू द पोल्ट्री फार्म, व्हाट यू नोटिस हियर, बड़ा वाला चिकन को हम लोग खा देते हैं, तब तो तुम देखेगा छोटा वाला चिकन आ गया. एंड व्हेन द प्रोडक्शन इज बीन टेकन प्लेस, देयर द प्रोडक्शन इज बीन टेकन प्लेस इन द bulk quantity. So here I have given the definition also for you. Industries means which industries? Genetic industries which are engaged in reproductions. You know the meaning of reproductions? जैसे बेटा बूढ़ा मुर्गी चला गया, तुम देखा छोटा वाला आ गया, फिर from the egg again the small one chicks comes, like that one after another. And multiplication of plants and animals. It can be plants, it can be animals also. Okay, sole objective to sell. Okay, why? Because we are talking about the commercial activities. Here what is your aim? Your aim is to sell. That is what is called. Example is giving cattle breeding. All fine. Now coming manufacturing industry. You know the manufacturing industry means, what is manufacturing industry? The industry which collect the raw material, and from the raw material they are producing the finished product as per the need of you and me. They are basically called the manufacturing industry. Given there, industries that engage in transformation of goods and materials or substances into the new products. Like I told you, raw material से क्या करता है बेटा? They are transferring it into the new substances. Like I told you, you go and see near the cement factory, you can see the limestone. Now those limestones have been converted into cement. Why? Because cements are required for us. That is what is called the manufacturing industry. Definition is given like this. You can see or you can write it the way I am telling it in your own words also. Last coming construction industries. You know meaning of construction. All of us are knowing. Construction. Why they are called the industries? Basically, beta, you must have seen when a bridge has been made, a flyover has been made, or a huge flat is been taking place, or the road is been built. What do you notice there? They are constructing. They are doing something. And why it is called an industry? Because there you must have been noticed they use different kinds of machines, different kinds of equipments. Thousands and thousands of people are working, and they are not doing in small quantities. They are doing it in the big quantities. That is why it is also called an industry. So what is construction industry? Constructed industries are those industries, those who are engaged for certain construction work. You know the meaning of construction. So I have given the definition. A branch of industry that are engaged in the construction of buildings, like I told you, flats and all, or engineering projects such as bridges and the roads. They are basically called the construction industries. So today what I told you one of the one of the economics activities, that is called the business activities. There I told you what do you mean by industry and what do you mean by the commerce. Okay, and there I told you how industry and commerce are interrelated with each other, and I discussed the different types of industries today. I hope it is clear to you. All the notes are given to you here. You can go through it, you'll be able to understand it. And if you have any doubt, like every day I told you, you can phone and ask me if any point you have not understood. And today's homework for you, beta, learn the meaning of industry. I have already given you the meaning, you learn from there, and different types of industry. That means you learn the meaning of industries and meaning of different types of industries. This is the two homework. What is already been written here, what has been explained to you, please learn it. Thank you so much.